When it comes to HVAC and mechanical services, you need a quoting tool that allows your technicians, sales team, and operations to collaborate in real time between the field and the office. The quicker you can get quotes in the hands of your customers and prospects, the more likely you are to close the deal. That's where Quadra comes in. Quadra is a flexible quoting and estimating software that combines mobile and desktop applications to streamline the sales process, allowing for accurate and efficient quoting from the field or the office. While on-site with an existing customer or prospect, Quadra's intuitive mobile service call quoting application allows technicians or sales reps to quickly and easily create recommendations and communicate that information back to the office for a quote to be created. Depending on your business process, the technician can also create a quote on the spot. Customers can be emailed a copy of the quote, or they can sign off directly on a mobile device. But that's not all. Quadra's mobile equipment survey tool allows technicians and sales reps to conduct detailed equipment surveys in the field in less than a minute. From a mobile device, the technician or sales rep enters equipment records or simply attaches images of equipment faceplates, belts, filters, and other details. With the tap of a button, these details are sent to the team back in the office, who is notified immediately to begin building a quote. All of the technician records collected on site are automatically available to create a comprehensive maintenance contract proposal within Quadra's desktop maintenance contract quoting module. Once a proposal is created based on the equipment records, it can be emailed to the customer and modified in real time to meet the customer's budget. Quadra allows you to get quotes in front of customers in less time, allowing you to stand out from the competition and close more sales. Empower your team with Quadra. Learn more or schedule a demo at www.thinkquadra.com.